Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen, we made a pretty decent little move up yesterday. For about a week and a half now, I've been saying that this is likely an A, a B, and a C. And if you've seen my videos, you probably know that I am still very bullish on the weekly. I still think this is likely to hit the 78%, which is right around the 202 area before we see a very significant move to the downside. So I am definitely still bullish. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here because these Fib levels are normally going to be areas of resistance in the move up or areas of support in the move down. You know, these are areas where the market definitely is likely to make a pullback. But for me personally, I am definitely looking for longs right now, especially because the daily, weekly, and monthly are all still in an uptrend. So definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.